how to import products from AliExpress to our Shopify store. There are a few methods to add products from our suppliers to our store. The first method is by clicking on Add Products on the left and entering the products by URLs or IDs. The second method is by clicking on Upload CSV to import products in bulk. The third method is by using our one-click importer, available through the AutoDS. Helper Chrome extension. This is the method we'll be demonstrating in this example to begin. Let's head over to AliExpress and select a product to import to our store. Let's head down and choose a bestseller like this facial steamer over here. So let's say this is the product that we want to add to our store. So first we're going to enter the product page, and as you can see, an Import to AutoDS button showed up. We're going to click on that button. Now it's asking us to select a shipping location because this product is available from USA warehouses and also from China. Warehouses and AutoDS supports both, so let's say we want to take the USA warehouse from AliExpress. Now the product is being imported to the drafts page of our stores where we can optimize it before having it go live now. Once the color changes, we know that we finished the import process to our drafts page. So let's head back to Autos, click on Drafts, and here's that product that we just imported through AliExpress. This arrow over here will open up the optimization options where we can optimize everything and anything about this product. Once we are done optimizing it, we're going to click on the Import button here on the right. And now what's happening is all of the product's details and information is now being imported from the drafts page to the products page, where Autos will start to monitor the stock and prices and everything else that we configured. And the product will go live on our store, which means anyone can go inside and start buying it. Now that the import process is complete, we're going to click on Products. And here it is on top of the list, the newest product that we just imported to our store in just a click of a button here on the right side. We can see the Buy ID, which will take us to the supplier page where we got the product. And on the Sell ID, we're going to be taken to the Shopify page where we have the product on our store. So let's click on that. And as you can see over here, the product was imported to our store. Just as we decide on the supplier page, anyone can go in right now and buy this product. And that is how simple it is to import products from AliExpress to your Shopify stores in just the click of a button.